Second step, I will show you how to regenerate function. If you buy a remote control, but you got lost of your original remote control BFT, now you can use the idle to regenerate an original remote just like BFT. First step, pressing first button and fourth button at the same time, about 3 seconds. When the LED goes on again. Okay, and press any button to choose the brains as the instructions. For example, BFT, first button, first time, one time. Press 1 time and step 3 to step third button and fourth button at the same time. To confirm, when the LED bright slowly, that means you have regenerated new remote successfully. Now use this remote control to work with the original remote receiver. To press the first button and second button at the same time to activate the receiver. Okay, and press the receiver. Yes. It's just like the same function as the BFT original remote control and working well with the receiver. That means you have regenerated a new remote control successfully.